Annual inflation hit 8.5% in the US in April 2022. Across the world, many other countries are seeing the highest inflation they have experienced in 40 years. Holding one's savings in a traditional bank savings account has become a liability. Crypto staking is one of the most popular innovations in decentralized finance, or DeFi. Using staking, individuals can outpace today's inflation with far more substantial interest on one's idle funds than any traditional banking service can offer. Jump in and let's learn a thing or two about staking. What is DeFi? Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is a rapidly emerging sector within the larger fields of finance and cryptocurrency. DeFi leverages blockchain technology to remove third parties in financial transactions. Some of the most popular services in DeFi are lending and borrowing. Using cryptocurrencies, users can put their crypto without selling it. With lending through staking, they can generate a passive income stream. On the reverse side, with borrowing, they can obtain capital without selling their crypto. This also enables the use of their crypto without triggering a taxable event. What is staking? Crypto holders can put their digital assets to work and earn passive income without selling them. It's the crypto equivalent of putting money into a high-yield savings account. When you deposit funds in a savings account, the bank takes that money and typically lends it out to others. In return for locking up that money with the bank, you receive a tiny portion of the interest earned from lending. Similarly, when you stake your crypto, you lock up the coins to participate in running the blockchain. In exchange for that, you earn rewards. In this case, there is no centralized authority taking the majority of the profit. It is shared with those in the community who contribute their capital. What, though, are the other benefits? People who hold proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies can add blocks to the blockchain based on how much they hold and get paid out that way. However, there is another way in which staking can make crypto holders money. As well as getting rewards for adding blocks to the blockchain, people who hold certain sorts of proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies can, in some cases, earn interest. This means, at least in theory, and in some cases, you can make money in crypto without having to do anything. The interest accrued to the holdings in your wallet should, again theoretically, keep coming in. You can think of holding crypto in your wallet as being similar to holding money in a bank account that pays interest, because the bank uses its holdings, including the money in your account, to loan out to others and invest in ventures that bring in returns. That means you can receive payment as interest on the money you leave in your bank account. Likewise, since cryptocurrencies may use their holdings, specifically the crypto coins and tokens that are a part of their ecosystem, for other purposes, such as loans and investments, you may occasionally benefit from them using the cryptocurrency you left in the system to make these types of transactions. Some websites offer generalized savings accounts that allow you to claim interest on your holdings. Bear in mind that while these sites do not necessarily involve staking as such, the effect is the same. As a rule of thumb, these sites tend to pay higher interest on stablecoins than they do on more traditional cryptos. Is staking crypto worth it? There are many cases in crypto when, in return for delegating crypto to users who make decisions about a network's future, people will get rewards for doing so. Again, this is all part of the interest-generating potential of staking. So why might someone decide to stake their crypto rather than try to raise money by selling or trading it? Well, you might believe that you can get a better return on your investment than you would be letting your crypto hang around in a wallet until the market moves up enough that you can sell or exchange your coins for a profit. You might also decide that interest-based staking is safer than the high-action world of crypto trading. It might be that you want to make a passive income by staking crypto that could supplement the money you make from a regular job, thus, at least in theory, boosting your cash flow without having to do much. Some protocols issue governance tokens which allow you to have your say in how the network is run. There is also the opportunity to link up with other stakers to create a staking pool, which allows people to pool their staked crypto and share in the rewards if and when they are chosen to validate blocks on the blockchain. Another process is called cold staking, which involves staked coins being kept in an offline wallet. This only really works when there is a seriously significant amount of virtual cash involved. But it does have the advantage of being much more secure than keeping your fortune in an online wallet. As with all forms of passive income, it seems if you want to make a passive income staking crypto, then you need to have a substantial sum of cryptocurrency in the first place. Concerns over crypto staking? First, there are reasons not to stake your crypto. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, and it is not that uncommon for the market to crash. You might get a return of 10% from your staking, but that does not mean anything if the crypto you have staked falls by 25%. You will lose because once you have staked, that money is locked in. Second, the protocol you invest in might fail. This will see you losing your assets, so be careful. Do your research and never invest more than what you can afford to lose. Third, you have to keep your eyes open and be sure that the scheme you are investing in is not a scam. Be careful and remember that if something sounds like it is too good to be true, It probably is. In all, staking in crypto can be profitable, but there is plenty of opportunity to lose your money. You'll have to be very careful and research what you want to stake in and how much you want to stake. You will need to keep in mind that the price of any cryptocurrency can fall as well as rise, which could mean get out of pocket. Most importantly, though, you must never invest more money than you can afford to lose. So is crypto staking worth it? Well, the world of cryptocurrency can be confusing, so you'll have to use some level of caution. So how do you reckon to start your crypto staking journey? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys next time.